Hello, and welcome to Eskenazi. My name is Peyton, and I'm the Assistant Director of Undergraduate Admissions and Recruitment for the Eskenazi School of Art, Architecture, and Design. Today, I'm going to go into detail on what comprehensive design is as a degree, what courses students take through it, career outcomes, and more. So, the most common question that we get is, what is comprehensive design? In the most broad sense, comp design is meant to give students an understanding of all design processes, hence the name comprehensive design. It focuses on human centered design at many scales. This means anything from shoes, jewelry boxes, and toys to full buildings, community centers, transportation, and more. Students begin with the fundamentals, learning what it takes to do both design in objects and buildings, as well as landscapes. Classes are made up of a mix of lectures for more broad learning and studios for practice in these design processes that you are learning. This degree has 3 different concentrations that you can choose from at the end of your sophomore year. So, what are these concentrations? What's the difference between them? Environmental design is for students who are interested in going into architecture or large scale design. This is also typically the track students follow if they are interested in continuing into a master's program in architecture. Product and object design goes into everyday objects that people use. It could be thinking about the accessibility in makeup brushes, toys to keep children entertained while their parents work at home, or even sustainable athletic wear. And then the final one is design thinking. This is our newest concentration for comprehensive design. It is a combination of product and object design with business. I like to compare it to the people that you see on Shark Tank, people who are designing solutions to everyday problems while creating their own business around it. This concentration also has a relationship with the Kelley School of Business, meaning you'll take some courses through Kelley and be one class away from receiving an entrepreneurship certificate on top of this degree. So I'm going to step out of the way for a moment so that you can look at what your class schedule may look like each semester while studying comprehensive design. The red text are major specific courses that you'll take through Eskenazi. The black text are general education requirements that can be fulfilled through a variety of offerings across the university. Feel free to pause here to read the table more in depth. So, everyone is required to take general education courses at IU, but many students come to college with those credits already finished from dual credit or AP classes in high school. Gen Ed requirements are split into 3 different categories: arts and humanities, natural and mathematical, and social and historical. Think of these like art and English, science and math, and history classes. So in this case, comprehensive design students need to take 4 A&Hs, 3 N&Ms, and 4 S&H. Sometimes there are requirements that can be filled by dual credit or AP classes students complete in high school, like I said earlier. There's also a chance you will have already completed some lower level major courses as well. You can learn more about this at the credit transfer service available on the Office of Admissions website. If you scan this QR code right here, you'll be able to see the exact breakdown of AP scores and course equivalencies as well. So let's get into some career options and outcomes with comp design. 93% of our undergraduate students in comprehensive design have gone on to be employed or continue their studies in graduate school within 6 months of graduation as of last school year. Of those students, 100% of them were satisfied in their position or in their graduate program. So now that you've learned what comprehensive design is, what can you do with that degree? The great thing about this program is it is designed to go with you in whatever field you're interested in, whether it be the arts or in design, in tons of different sizes. All of these are examples. But while you're still with us here on campus, we have a ton of ways for you to get involved. The Human Centered Design Club is for students interested in expanding their understanding of design tools and problem solving. Students learn skills in architecture, product design, furniture art, and creative placemaking. They participate in anything from small inclusive workshops to community outreach opportunities and field trips. The Human Computer Interaction and Design Club is for students who are interested in the user experience, interaction design, emergent technologies, and more. They host workshops, invite guest speakers from the tech and design industries, and host design challenges. And these are just a couple examples. We have a ton more available. Everyone always wants to know the statistics of their major as compared to the rest of their school, so here is how comprehensive design breaks down. The major is about 16% of our undergraduate students, but is growing more as students learn more of this unique degree. The average class sizes are 15, allowing you to get a lot of hands-on studio course time and time to get help and advice from fellow students and professors. Comp Design has 4 focus faculty members with more faculty from around the school for additional courses and requirements. And finally, all of our comprehensive design students in 2022 completed at least one internship while in their undergraduate career. This means what you're learning in the real world before entering the workforce. You are understanding how your degree program relates to a full career after graduation. It's also a great way to explore avenues that you may never have considered working in. And that wraps up comprehensive design. If you'd like to learn more about our other majors or admissions process, check out some of our other videos. We also offer individual meetings with the Eskenazi admissions office alongside a current student ambassador, both virtually and in person. Just scan that QR code on the screen and find a meeting time that works for you. If you would like to learn more about how comprehensive design would look for you, or if you have any additional questions about Eskenazi at all, feel free to reach out to us at eskenaziadmissions@iu.edu. Thanks!